You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, more useful pronunciation, stay tuned. The top word is pronounced though. It's a less common spelling of the name, the word pronounced though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though. The bottom is pronounced thou. It's an archaic form of the, thou. So, top word, T-H-O, though, T-H-O-U, thou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.